Hi everyone, my name is Bianca, for those of you that don't know me. I've been inspired to do this shielding and grounding meditation by Karina Kalim, I think her last name is. She and her friends have started a movement called Let Love Be the Virus, which I'm really loving. And yeah, she inspires her birthday today, by the way, so go and find her and send her a happy birthday message. But thank you, Karina and friends, for starting this movement. If you want to know more about it, go to hashtag Let Love Be the Virus on Instagram or Facebook, and she's got a few videos up. But the reason why I'm doing this video in particular is because she just did a grounding meditation for the collective, and I always like to do a grounding meditation with a shielding meditation at the end of it. And the reason why I do a shielding meditation or protective meditation or visualization for myself is because I understand that we're energetic beings, and as energy kind of flows, and as we interact with each other, as we think about each other, our energy gets sent here, there and everywhere. And sometimes we're met with circumstances that are lower vibrations than what our energy holds. So by putting a bit of a rainbow light around your own energy field, or a shield around your own energy field, you're able to set the intention of calling in love and light and reflecting the lower vibrations back to its source. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you're ready, just find a comfortable position wherever you're at. Hopefully you're able to get a bit of relaxed time today and give yourself this time. Joe Dispenza always says, love yourself enough to do this. So give yourself this time. So just find a comfortable position. It's best to keep your back up straight if you can, otherwise lie down. And just focus on your breath. Just come to your breath. Gently close down your eyes. Breathe in through your nose, and as you breathe out, just sigh. Just let all the tension just be released out of your body. And in your next inhale, I invite you to breathe in a divine golden white light from above. This divine golden white light comes from above your head and starts to stream in through your crown chakra, through the top of your head. And as it starts to come down your body, it starts to wash away and cleanse any debris, blocked energy, anything stuck or stagnant. With every breath in and out, just allowing this beautiful divine golden white light to move through you, move through your head, washing away any lower vibrations, any negative thoughts, just cleansing and transmuting the energy. And with every breath in and out throughout this meditation, just allowing the perfect amount of divine energy to flow through you. This divine golden white light from Father Sky is an intelligent energy. It knows exactly the amount that is right for you, and it knows exactly where to go to wash away and transmute and cleanse and purify the energies within your own bodies. Allowing this divine golden white light to flow through you now, moving from your head all the way down into your feet. And as it washes away and cleanses and moves through your chakra system, It moves through your organs, your joints, your fascia. It moves through and cleanses and transmutes every cell in your body into love and light. Allowing this divine golden white light to move all the way through your head, down to your toes, and out the soles of your feet into Mother Earth. As you send this divine golden white light energy down into Mother Earth's core, imagine that you have beautiful tree roots growing from the bottom of your feet. These roots grow deep down into Mother Earth's core, into her liquid crystalline center. And in your next inhale, breathe up nourishing, unconditional love energy of emerald green light from Mother Earth up through your roots, all the way up through the bedrock, giving you the vitamins and minerals that you need, and thanking Mother Earth for all she gives you. Breathing this emerald green light energy up into your feet, up into your legs, all the way up into your heart space, into the center of your chest. And as this emerald green light sits in the center of your chest, it mingles with the Divine Father energy of golden white light. And just feeling this energy here. Now, using the power of your imagination, see if you can visualize and see a vibrant, colorful rainbow starting on your right side. This rainbow arches across the top of your head and goes to your left. And as it reaches your left hand, it goes underneath your body and meets up back on the right side, completely circumferencing you, circling you, like a beautiful egg, 360 degrees around you, filling up all the space in between. And as you take another deep breath in through your nose, you breathe in this rainbow light all the way into your bodies, into your emotional, your mental, your physical, your astral, and your energetic bodies. And as you breathe this light out, it fills every space in your rainbow egg dome. Feeling the love and the light that this vibrant rainbow energy has for you. In your next inhale, breathe in and visualize a stream of golden shield. It's a translucent, transparent, liquid-like energy coming from Father Sky down, and it just circumferences, it envelopes your rainbow egg, completely surrounding your rainbow egg with this liquid golden light, this protective shield. Just feeling, loving the energy as you sit, as you lie, as you surrender, as you rest in this vibrant light. Knowing that you're filled with love and light that's all around you, from Father Sky and Mother Earth. And in your next inhale, breathe in another color. It's a mirror, silver color, that goes on the outside of your golden rainbow egg. This shield is a reflective shield that allows any lower vibrations to be reflected back to the source that it came. And as you sit in your rainbow golden egg, know that only love and light can enter, so that you can be fulfilled and go about your day with your own energy, sharing the love you have inside, sharing the love that's inside you in your heart space, from feeling grounded from Mother Earth and receiving light from Father Sky. Smile your heart, smile your face. I thank you so much for watching, and for really wanting to grow yourself and give yourself this love. So thank you again. Thank you, Karina, again. And the light I see in you is the light I see in me. We are one. Namaste.